Welcome to this channel, guys. In this video we are going to learn how to design this flyer with Pixellab. Alright, let's get started. Before we begin, kindly click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new amazing videos. Okay, I'm going to delete this. We don't need this now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move to image size. So this image size, this is the size that I'm going to use, just a random size. So 700 by 1000, 700 by 1000. The width is 700, the height is 1000. You click on it. Okay, all right, let's begin. So what we're going to do now is that we need to bring out an object. So this is the object that we're going to use over here. So firstly, what I will do is that I have to make sure that this object covers the whole place. I have to make sure that it covers the whole place. So when I'm done with that, I click on good. So I will move over to relative position. On relative position, I will make sure that it's at the center. I click on good. Now I click on this layer and I lock the screen so that it's not going to be it will not be movable whenever I touch the screen. Alright, so what I will do now is that I need another object. This is the object that I'm going to make use of now. So the color of this object is going to be this. So I'm going to choose this color and I click on. So to get this color, you can get the color so by clicking on this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, you select the color from here. When you are done, you click on OK. So that's how to get a color. When you're done, you click on good. So now let me resize it. Let me extend the size and resize it very well. Let me zoom it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is that I have to move to max. Let me get to max. Now you enable max, you click on there, so it's going to be movable. I bring it at the top here. I'm going to bring it at the top. I click on this one, so I'm going to bring this one down, bring it up. Now let's set it properly. Let's adjust this node so that it's going to be okay. Watch and see. Let's click on good so that I will see how it looks. Okay, this is good. Let's move to max again so that we can set it properly. I think this is good. This is okay. So what I'm going to do now is that I have to firstly, let me copy it and bring this one over here. Okay, so this one, let me hide the one that I copied. Okay, now this one. Okay. So this one, let me move it down here. Okay. I think it's okay like this. So what I'm going to do now is that I have to lock it up, but before I do that, let me merge it with another object. Let me merge it with another object, so there's going to be one object now. Okay, so let me merge these two. Alright, this is nice. Then let me lock it. So this one, let me unveil it and bring it down over here. I still need to work on it more. I have to change the color. Let me move to max. Let me move to max. I have to bring this one down. From here I'll add another node. it up. Let me zoom in. Let me see how it looks. Let me zoom out. So what I have to do now is that I have to move to color and give it this color. I click on good. So I move to this one, move to color, enable color. So it has to be this color. So let me click on good. So this one, let me merge it with another object. So object of the same color. Alright. I think it's good like this. I think it's okay. We have created our background. Now the next thing that we're going to do now is that we need another object, which is going to be a circle. So this circle is going to be over here. The color. Will be something of this. Let me zoom in. Alright. I have to move to color, enable color. And we choose this is going to be gradient color. So I select this one, I click on the pen. Let me pick this color. This one. I think it's okay like this. Let me lock these ones. So what I will do now is that let me apply a shadow over here. I think it's okay like this. Let me reduce the opacity of the black color. I think it's okay. When you're done, you click on good. Let me zoom out. I think this is good. Now what I will do now is that let me bring out a text. Let me change the font. Let me zoom in. Let me copy it and bring it over here. This one is going to be alright. So what I will do now is that let me merge the two. So when I'm done, I have to rotate it. So let me move over here, opacity, shadow. Let me add it a shadow. Let me reduce the opacity of the black color. Let me reduce the blur. I think it's okay like this. When you're done, you move out. Alright, this is good. The next thing that we're going to do now is that we need another object, which is going to be a circular object. Let's lock these ones. Let's lock these ones. So now let's work on this. So this is going to be an object. Okay. So this object is going to be over here. Let me merge it with another object. Alright, so let me add a texture there. I move over to texture. Move over to texture. Okay, it's going to be like this. So when you're done, you click on good. This image is going to be over here. Alright. Okay, let me add a stroke, enable stroke. Alright, this is good. So what we're going to do now is that we have to copy it. When we copy it, let's move over to stroke and reduce the stroke. Okay, click on good. Now let's move over to texture and change the image. Move over to texture, click on good. Okay, I think I have to reduce the stroke. Let's see, 4. Likewise, let me leave it. Let me leave it there. All right, I think this is good. So let me copy this one. All right. So this one has to come over here. Let me reduce the stroke. Or remove the stroke entirely. Let there be no stroke here. Let me zoom in. I think it's okay like this. Alright. Now let me change the image, this one, and move to texture. think this is good. Okay, now let's bring out a test. Let's change the color. Let's change the font. Let me zoom in. Let me copy it. Let's change the color. Let's increase the font. Okay. Okay. Click on print. Let me zoom in. Let's copy it. Let me change the font. Let me zoom out. Now the next thing that we're going to do now is that we need to bring out our logo. Alright, this will be our logo. Let me zoom in. Okay. Oh, let me lock these ones. Alright, let me zoom in. Let me copy this one, then merge them. Since I've merged them, I have to bring it down over here. Okay. Spacing. Let's copy it. Okay, let me merge it. So now this one will come over here. Let me change the color. Let's change the font. Let's move over to styles, italics. Let's copy it and bring it over here. Let's change the color. Let me zoom in. Let me copy it. Let me increase the font. Okay, let's move over to spacing. All right. Okay, when you're done, you click on save. You click on save as image. Make sure you choose Ultra. Click on save to gallery. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop new amazing videos. See you soon.